Hi guys, everybody, how are you doing? This is Rana Nasser here, again with the Yes Apna Travel. I just came to the Lakemba now, so I just want to describe Lakemba for everyone to look. How's the Lakemba? It's busy, and it's a very much Muslim path to the place, and I'm going to show the shops all here, and then I will just come to myself and I will show you everyone. Okay. This is a very famous Muslim area in Sydney, and everybody love here to see. This we have the big masala here, and which is the Muslim people praying, and this is a very busy, and this is one part. And this is what I want to show you everyone, because that's the best place in Lakemba called the cafe called Sultano, which is like name is Sultan, and Sultan means it's just like the king. So this is the cafe. I show everyone because that's the best cafe for the coffee, and it's for it's on a corner on the Halden Street, and very much opposite side of the big masala, which is you can see on the back side of me. I show you. It's okay. This is here. Okay, it's very good place for the coffee, and everybody enjoy here, because this place. I was showing like everyone here, and there's a place called Sultano, and it's like a Moroccan cafe, and they have good menu, and they have very good food, and people like all the time full and very clean and tidy. So I have to show just everyone in the world, whenever you wanna come to the Lakemba, so you love to his coffee, his menu, his hospitality. His brothers very good, because they love to us and they provide us good food, and they are very famous here in Lakemba, and they are doing so my vlog is just mean make them to the more comfortable and easiest way to do the things. So right now I just came here because the food is here is very good, and I will just come to I will show you the menu, and this menu is this is like a menu here. They have not only the coffee, but they have as well as the good the Moroccan food as well, and they are very famous in Lakemba. And if you are any part of the world, you come to here Lakemba and you love the good food, so you just come to and have a look, and you can come to the Lakemba, and you will see the Lakemba is one suburb. It's like not far from the city. It's just close by to the Sydney. And this is a very much like this side we call the little Bangladesh, and this Bangladesh is just like all the shops here for all the Bangladeshi peoples, and this place is all the time full all the time. So right now the video is just like the going, because please like it and share it wherever you go, wherever you like it, and that's the thing. Whenever you go, you just have to love the places, different people, different food, and you love the. And now I'm outside, but I'm going to the inside after that, because I just want to show to the menu and the food, and how the place is looking, and how lovely place is this one. And they have a lot of parking here close by that, and then anybody can come to the park on the off-street parking, which I can show you exactly in the back there. And then it's like it's just like not far away. Okay, so when you're coming from the station, which is like not you can see with the lights, there's a car coming. The station is just far that way, and you can come there, and you can see the station is not far. And then when you come to the foods, and you love to eat the food, which very nice. And here is a. Okay, now I'm going to enter now inside, and as I show you the outside, so which is like good for food, and everybody love it, and please whenever you like, you just come here. Now I'm going to inside, and I'm going to inside, and have to go open the door, which is like now here I'm going to enter Sendai. Okay, now, and I'm going to enter here. Okay, there's some brothers sitting here. Say Assalamu alaikum, everyone. and they love the Moroccan tea. And I'm going to the little bit behind the scene, but they love the Moroccan tea, and mashallah, you know, they have very good tasty, you know, the food here as well as tea. Brother from Morocco?
No, I'm Libyan.
Oh, from Libya, mashallah, mashallah. I'm from Pakistan. Yeah, mashallah, very good. Thank you very much. And enjoy the Moroccan tea. So I came to here to see everyone show how this one look like in the world. Okay, this is they have the reception here. And please smile for me first, because she is very good in service. Okay, hello, and please tell your name. Sonita. She's Sonita. Sonorita. I know that's Sonita. I'm just joking. Okay. Now she's very good in service, and now I'm just showing to the, you know, what they have here. They have you know, all the cakes, you know, the avocado, tuna avocado, as well as, like, you know, they have here, you know, the lot of good food here, and you love it. And she's the first one, the girl. When I came to the in cafe, she subscribed my channel, which I gave her good offer. Okay, this the place have, and they also have the very good ice cream. And you know, when you came to here, you can see it's very clean, tidy, and very much like, you know, the lovely place. And when you came to here, you just like it, please, and you just need to come here, and you just, you know, enjoy the here menu. And the seating here is very good. And I'm just say hello, miss. What's your name, please? Excuse me. What's your name? You say. Okay. I should. Yes. She's my subscriber. I just want to put her. Okay. That's good. That's good. Thank you. I just want to say hello. How are you? What's your name?
My name is Bilal.
Bilal. Okay. One second. I put Bangladesh. So it's a very lovely place to sit down here. How you like it? Coffee here? Good.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Good. How are you, brother? What's your name?
Fantastic.
Fantastic coffee. And what's your name? Suhail Mehdi. Mashallah, very good. They are permanent customers here, and they love it. Thank you. And sorry, I just need 1 minute only for you, because I make the famous this one. What's your name? What's your name? No, okay, you're not interested. It's okay. Okay, that's all. What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Sirajul Islam.
Sirajul Islam. Okay, mashallah, very good. You like the coffee here?
Yeah, I sometimes come, not all the time.
No, sometime coming here. Okay, no problem. I'm just, you know, make them around the world. Thank you very much. Just showing you as, you know, few customers good. And now I'm just showing you inside here. Okay. Mashallah, it's very good. And, okay, thanks a lot. Okay.
I ordered whatever the chef like.
All right. Brothers, 1 minute. Just come 1 minute. Okay. I just want to show you the, you know, the. I just need to say hello, hi, like this. Hello. Okay, he's the man of the, you know, the Sultano, and he's the very good, you know, brother here. And he always, mashallah, you know, show hospitality, and he loves us, everyone, and I love him so much. He's a good man. Yeah, thank you very much.
You're most welcome.
Thank you.
Anytime.
And he's a good man. And
After I show you my pasta.
okay, sure, mashallah, alhamdulillah. I will thank you much. See, I will be thank you. Thank you very much for the hospitality. Thanks. Okay, yes, I'm going to outside now. Thank you, sir. Everyone, assalamu alaikum. Salam. Okay, now I'm already did it. So I think, sorry. So wire is going a little bit up, and here is, like, you know, I just shade to the outside a little bit, and then now I'm going to the, please subscribe my channel, and please love it, and I will be thankful everyone, and now I'm going to off now. Thank you.